So guys, the continuation of video. So the binary stand for 2. So in binary, the base will be 2. Similarly, octal the base will be 8. Similarly, in decimal the base will be 10. In hexadecimal base will be 16. So I will teach you how this after 10 what we will write instead of 10, 11, 12. So we will see later. Firstly, see the conversion. Firstly, I will teach you after 10 what we will write. Then like we know that 0 to 9 similar number. 0 to 9 we know that in general life we are using, but when like if you are using base 12, so for 11 we can't because we have to represent in a digit, 11 number in a digit. So we have to do something extra. So for 10 we consider as A for 10, B for 11. So we write the capital letter of A B C D. C for 12, D for 13, and E for 14, and F for 15. See, right? Now we will move toward the conversion. Conversion. So firstly we will see the basic conversion, then we will go through the conclusion how we have to calculate. Firstly, see decimal to binary. So in any of the decimal to any conversion, firstly we have to see base to which we have to convert. So we have to convert into binary number. So here base is 2, so we have to divide the decimal number by 2, and then by this method we will convert. So let's see, for example, I have to divide I have to convert 37.3125. So we will write this one as we will convert this one by other thing and this one by other thing. So firstly we will convert 37. How to convert 37 into binary? So we will write here 37 and just start dividing 37. So we have to write here only on integer. If you have any remainder, then you have to write it here. So firstly 1 and 8. So remainder is 1. So we will write here, and then 2, 9. Remainder is 0. So we will write here, and then 4. Remainder is 1, and you can do similarly. So and then we have to represent from lower one to upper one. And then how to convert this fractional part? In fractional part we have to multiply to if the number is greater than 1, then we will take it, and other fraction part we have to multiply the fraction part till then when we will get 0. So 0.3125 into 2, so this will be, I think, 0.625, and then we will 0.625 we will continue till we will get 0, or here only one integer part. So it will have 1.25. So we will use only one fractional part. So 0.25 into 2, so 0.5, 0.5 into 2, so 1, and then we have to take only one integer part, this one. We have taken in integer we have go through lower to upper one. Here we have to go through upper to lower, and then the equivalent representation in this decimal number into this decimal number, we write here base into binary number is, here I am writing here 1, this 2 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 point, here 0 0 then 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, this is 0 1 0 1, this is in binary. So friend, see, we have to just convert through any base, decimal to any base. We will divide that base, and remainder we will write into side, and then go through lower to upper. And in fractional part we have to multiply, and then into fractional part only. If we get only on integer part, then we will stop there, and we have to go from upper to lower one. So this is the conversion from decimal to binary. And then see the decimal to octal. Octal means base 8. So second one is decimal to octal. So octal means base 8. Then you can do it on. So let's take this example, and then we will go through opposite conversion also, and you can verify all the answers. So firstly, go through the octal means base 8. So we have to divide by 8. So here the number is, firstly we have to go separately in integer and fraction. So firstly 37 divided by 8 4 times, and the remainder is 5. So we will go through this way. And in fraction part, 0.3125 multiply by 8. So the 2.5, and 0.5 multiply by 8 is 4. So in this we have to so we know that number is 37.3125 10. So 37.3125, the octal equivalent is this 4 and 5, 45 point. We will go through here 0. We will go through upper to lower to 2 4. This is in octal. So we have to go through third method, which is decimal to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means decimal means 16. So here base is 16. So 16. So we have to divide by 16. So we will go through separately the integer and fraction. So firstly divide 37 by 16. So this will go by 2, and this is 5, and 0.3125 into 16. So it is directly 5. So the hexadecimal equivalent of 37.3125 is the firstly 2 and 5, 2 5, and then this have only 0.5. So we have 5. So 0.5. This is hexadecimal. So just see all the answers. When the base reduce, then the this integer part increase, integer part decrease, and fraction part increase. See all the when base reduce, then this will increase, integer part will increase. This is increase. This is another example. And when base is increased, then this integer part decrease, and fractional part increase. So it is like that. So you can conclude by this, and from any base to decimal we will see next video. Thank you. thank you for watching, and keep watching. Subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you have any doubt, so I will give my email id into description, and as well as WhatsApp number, so you can post the problem into WhatsApp or mail id. You will got your solution of problem. And if you, otherwise you can comment on the comment section. Thank you very much.